Imagine a world in 2025 where one Bitcoin is worth $250,000. Yes, you heard it right. The digital gold rush is in full swing as analysts predict Bitcoin's price reaching a staggering $250,000 by 2025. This isn't just wishful thinking on the part of crypto enthusiasts. It's a forecast grounded in a variety of influential factors, each playing its part in Bitcoin's meteoric rise. One such factor is institutional adoption. More and more major financial institutions are recognizing Bitcoin's potential and jumping on the cryptocurrency bandwagon. This widespread acceptance is injecting significant capital into the Bitcoin market, driving up its value. Regulatory changes are also playing a pivotal role. The recent approval of US spot Bitcoin ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, has had a substantial impact. These funds are a type of investment vehicle that allows investors to buy shares in a fund that holds Bitcoin, rather than having to buy and store Bitcoin themselves. This development has opened the door to a whole new class of investors, fueling Bitcoin's surge even further. But we can't discuss Bitcoin's rise without mentioning the macroeconomic trends at play. In an era of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin is increasingly seen as a safe haven, a digital version of gold. Its inherent scarcity, there can only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, only adds to its appeal as a hedge against inflation. Finally, Bitcoin's potential as a strategic reserve asset cannot be overlooked. As corporations and nation-states begin to hold Bitcoin in their reserves, its value is likely to increase further, reinforcing its position as a viable alternative to traditional fiat currencies. With Bitcoin's scarcity and potential as a strategic reserve asset, this prediction doesn't seem too far-fetched. Now, let's take a flight of fancy and see how the civil aviation industry could soar with Bitcoin's predicted surge. Imagine for a moment a world where the hum of jet engines merges with the buzz of Bitcoin. With Bitcoin's price expected to rocket to around $200,000 to $250,000 by 2025, there could be a windfall waiting for the civil aviation industry. Airlines have always been pioneers in adopting new technologies, and cryptocurrencies could be their next venture. By accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, airlines could tap into a new customer base: the digital nomads, the tech-savvy travelers, and the crypto enthusiasts. This could open doors to a wave of opportunities, from ticket sales to in-flight purchases, all powered by Bitcoin. But the potential benefits don't stop there. The surge in Bitcoin's performance could also lead to a significant investment in infrastructure and technology. With the extra revenue from Bitcoin transactions, airlines could upgrade their fleets, invest in fuel-efficient technologies, or even explore blockchain solutions for their operations. This could lead to more efficient and secure systems, from booking to baggage handling. Moreover, it's not just airlines that could benefit. Airports too could see a boost. Imagine duty-free shops accepting Bitcoin, or airport lounges offering exclusive access to crypto holders. The possibilities are endless. The civil aviation industry has faced its share of turbulence, but with Bitcoin's rise, it might find the tailwind it needs to reach new heights. It's an exciting prospect, a fusion of cutting-edge finance and aviation. But as with all things in the crypto world, it's a journey into the unknown, full of potential and unpredictability. In the sky-high world of aviation, Bitcoin might just be the extra lift needed. In the world of cryptocurrency, political backing can fuel the rocket. When we talk about Bitcoin, it's impossible to overlook the significant influence of political figures. Two such prominent figures who have shown support for Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency space are Donald Trump and Elon Musk. Let's first look at Donald Trump. Despite his initial skepticism, Trump's administration introduced crypto-friendly policies that have played a pivotal role in the growth and acceptance of Bitcoin. Under his administration, Bitcoin saw a surge in its price, partly attributed to a regulatory environment that welcomed innovation in the digital asset space. Analysts predict that these policies are expected to continue to support Bitcoin's growth, potentially leading it to the $250,000 price tag in 2025. And then there's Elon Musk, a figure who needs no introduction in the world of technology and innovation. Musk's interest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies has been far from a secret. His tweets alone have been known to cause seismic shifts in the crypto market. But it's not just about market fluctuations. Musk's endorsement of Bitcoin signifies a broader acceptance and legitimization of cryptocurrencies. His company, Tesla, has invested heavily in Bitcoin, furthering its position in the global financial ecosystem. These political and influential figures have the power to sway public opinion and regulatory environments. Their support for Bitcoin doesn't just boost its price in the short term, but it also signals a brighter future for cryptocurrencies as a whole. This is a future where cryptocurrencies are not just an alternative, but a widely accepted form of financial exchange. It's also important to note that political support for Bitcoin isn't limited to the United States. Around the globe, institutions, corporations, and nation-states are recognizing the potential of Bitcoin. This global adoption and political support further bolster optimistic price projections, bringing us back to the predicted $250,000 mark. With powerhouses like Trump and Musk backing Bitcoin, the path to $250,000 seems less rocky. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, the future of Bitcoin is brighter than ever. The echoes of the past scenes resonate: the Bitcoin boom, the potential windfall for the civil aviation industry, and the political support from influential figures like Donald Trump and Elon Musk. All these elements intertwine, painting a picture of a future where Bitcoin reigns supreme. The predictions of Bitcoin hitting $250,000 by 2025 could revolutionize not only the financial markets but also various industries. It's a testament to Bitcoin's potential as a strategic reserve asset and its increasing adoption by institutions, corporations, and even nation-states. Imagine a world where Bitcoin's performance could potentially benefit sectors like civil aviation. It's not just about making profits, it's about reshaping industries, fostering innovation, and redefining the way we perceive value. The political support from figures like Donald Trump and Elon Musk adds another layer to this evolving narrative. Their backing signals a shift in the political landscape, with cryptocurrencies slowly but surely gaining acceptance and legitimacy. It's a move that could further bolster Bitcoin's growth, creating a ripple effect that could be felt across the globe. But with such a monumental shift, it's essential to consider the potential implications. Will this surge in Bitcoin's value lead to a more decentralized and equitable financial system? Or will it merely amplify existing inequalities, creating a new class of Bitcoin elites? These are questions we must grapple with as we move towards this potential future. As we gaze into the crystal ball, one thing is clear: Bitcoin's journey to $250,000 will be a ride to remember. It's a journey that promises to change the way we interact with money, the way we do business, and perhaps even the way we live our lives. As the dawn of the era of the $250,000 Bitcoin approaches, the question remains: are we ready?